Welcome to my YouTube channel Smart Engineer. Today we will study about types of wheel used in automobile. There are three types of wheel used in automobile: disc wheel, wire wheel, and light alloy cast wheel. Now let's discuss each of them one by one. Disc wheel. Disc wheel is the most common wheel used by the manufacturer. A typical steel disc wheel is shown as. This type of wheel consists of two parts, a steel rim and pressed steel disc. The rim and the disc may be integral, permanently attached or attachable depending upon design. The steel disc performs the function of spokes. The wheel is fitted on the axle by bolting to the flange attached to the axle. Some slots are generally provided in the wheel disc to allow the air to the inner side for the better cooling of brake inside. A separate cover is also provided on the wheel disc known as a wheel cover. Disc wheel may be inset, zero set or outset depending upon the position of the rim in relation to the attachment face of disc. Inset. Inset wheel is a wheel in which the center line of rim is located inboard of the attachment face of disc. A zero set wheel is a wheel in which the rim center line of the rim coincide with the attachment face of the disc. Outset. Outset. In this wheel the center line of the rim is located outboard of the attachment face of the disc. Some advantage of disc wheel: simple in construction, easy to clean and less maintenance required, low manufacturing cost. Wire wheel. The typical wire wheel can be shown as. It consists of separate hub which is attached to the rim with the help of wire spokes. Each spoke is hooked at the one end of the hub while other end is pushed through a hole in the rim with the help of tubular nut. This tubular nut helps in tightening the spokes. Spokes should be correct length and a correct tension to hold the rim centrally around the hub. If a spoke is too loose or too tight, then rim would distort. The spokes are mounted in complicated criss-cross fashion. Wire wheel is the earliest types of wheel used in automobiles, but presently its use is limited to the certain vintage sports and racing cars. Some advantage of wire wheel are: lighter in weight, provide better cooling to the brake drum, easily mounted or removed from axle. Disadvantage of wire wheel: due to presence of hole in rim, tubeless tire cannot be fitted over it. Light alloy cast wheel. Light alloy cast wheel is the most recent types of wheel with increasing uses day by day. The typical light alloy cast wheel can be shown as. Light alloy wheel generally cast or forged. Cast wheel are generally used for cars while forged wheel are preferred for wheels of heavier vehicles. Light alloy wheels are made from aluminum or magnesium. Magnesium alloy. Magnesium alloy have high impact and fatigue strength so that they can stand better vibration and shock loading. Magnesium alloy prone to corrosion. Generally used in heavier vehicles like sports and racing cars. Aluminum alloy. Aluminum alloy are less impact and fatigue strength. Due to this, they cannot stand better resistance to vibration and shocks. They less prone to corrosion. Generally used in lighter vehicles such as cars and commercial vehicles. Advantage of alloy wheel or disc wheel are: light in weight, better conductor of heat, wider rim can be used which give more stability to vehicle. Disadvantage of alloy wheels or disc wheel are: high cost, prone to corrosion. Hope you understand types of wheels. Then like, share and comment on video. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching video.